Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Another of the benefits of taking whey protein on an empty stomach is that it is a form of liquid nutrition which is easily digested and absorbed. Having a protein shake before you perform a workout can give you a good source of energy without the discomfort of an overfull or bloated stomach.
Let's help you make your mark.
Drinking a protein shake for breakfast can be a quick and convenient way to squeeze more nutrients into your diet and increase your protein intake. Protein shakes can also be an effective tool to support weight loss and enhance muscle growth. 13 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
An amino acid called tryptophan, which occurs in many protein-rich foods, helps the body produce serotonin. Carbohydrates help the body absorb tryptophan. For these reasons, eating a meal rich in both protein and carbohydrates may make a person feel sleepy. Tryptophan occurs in foods that are rich in protein.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Protein shakes are not meant to replace a meal. Their role is to supplement your diet and make it easier to meet your daily protein requirements when you're active. Ideally, these beverages should be consumed before and/or after exercise. Whey protein shakes are best for fuel lean muscle tissue growth.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best time to consume protein for optimal muscle growth is a controversial topic. Fitness enthusiasts often recommend taking a protein supplement 15 to 60 minutes after exercise. This time frame is known as the anabolic window, and said to be the perfect time for getting the most out of nutrients like protein. 16.6 February 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Whey protein is an incredibly versatile nutritional ingredient. Not only can it be used after workouts, but whey protein can also be consumed with breakfast, as a midday snack, with dinner and even right before bed. 27 March 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.